everyone. I'm glad to introduce our course on understanding and dealing with psychological disorders. While we study psychological thought and the various parts of the subject, something that has gained the most attention, especially in recent times, is psychopathology, or the study of mental illnesses and issues. While there are two parts to this topic, our lectures cover a few of these disorders. The modules include lectures on serious mental disorders like schizophrenia and bipolar affective disorder. The modules also talk about personality disorders and sexual disorders. We have also tried to discuss the possible contributions and psychological models to understand each disorder better. Along with that, we have also spoken about therapy techniques commonly used to treat mental health issues. We hope to not only increase your knowledge, but also reduce the stigma associated with mental health. This course should be interesting. Enjoy studying and get back to us with queries if any. Thank you.